Tingnan niyo yung aking ginawang cake. Aba, nabuka-buka siya. Banana cake. Nilagyan ko ng cocoa. Ah, so soft oh. Soft kayo siya guys. Soft. Hindi siya overcook. It's so soft. Yummy, yummy. Partner ko sa kape ko. Masarap. Parang ilaw pa. I think it needs more. Parang masyadong malambot. Ito naman. Masyadong malambot. Ano ginawa pa? Day 2 ng aking banana cake with cocoa. Oh, gamay bilin ha. Nagnamit siya ba? Gapon. Kuan siya na humo kaayo. Then gibalik ko siya sa oven. Tapos ginleave ko siya until the oven will mag-cool. Nagnamit siya. Humok siya pero compressed ba? Gapon daw kuan siya man. Pag-try ko, init naman good. Daw gawasak-wasak. Then ginbalik ko siya. Then I leave it for how many minutes lang. And yun, namit na siya. Like, ano lang ito bilhin. Gamay-gamay bilhin. Wala. Go.
Ay, lasa.
Cookies. It will melt alone. Of course. Where did you learn?
I used on YouTube. I saw it on YouTube.
Really?
I don't know.
Why you didn't burn? I mean, put inside a little bit.
Huh?
Push a little bit, maybe.
I don't need it. Will melt. Will
It will fall on the side. What is that? Kinder chocolate. Then, let's see the result. Very good
10
kiss, diba?
minutes.
We'll take a very good kid. See? Yes. Ay, you didn't make it hot yet? Ayan na siya. Ay, look! Hindi siya nag-melt.